Hi, I'm Mark with Proline Range Hoods, and if you've watched any of our outdoor hood videos, you know that we've completely redesigned our outdoor hoods from the ground up. Some people have asked us to give more details on how that was possible. Well, first of all, we start with our dual 4-speed motors. These are the same motors we've used for the last 16, 17 years. You have 1,000 CFM and 4 speeds. We have 2 of them. They sit back to back in the island configuration. Now this model, like our other outdoor hood models, is 1.2 millimeter stainless steel. And the reason we need 1.2 millimeter stainless steel is we need that rigidity. This model is our BBQ Pro Island. It's 48 inches wide and it's 40 inches deep. It uses a dual 1,000 CFM to give us a maximum airflow of 2,000 CFM with 4 speeds on each fan. Now, one of the ways that we achieved the bigger capture area and the deeper capture area still using the same motors is we elevated this area right here, taking advantage of this 1 inch right here. It was an expensive change, but it was well worth it. So this sits up an inch higher and into the chimney section of this island, but it allows us to change the angle of the controls, to seal the controls, and move the filters up. Another question we're asked is, why do we need 1.2 millimeter stainless steel? You need that rigidity. You need that solid structure so that you can hang out 36 inches from a wall and 40 inches on an island. So go to our website, check out our new BBQ Pro model in the island and the wall, up to 72 inches wide, 40 inches deep. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments below.